welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Classic Ani, and I am back with another westkiss hair tutorial. And I know y'all probably tired of my westkiss hair tutorial, but they have been showing me some love. Okay, they sent me another wig with some more things that I want to share with you guys. They stepped their game up. They even got me the matching bonnet. Okay, everything is coordinated today. The outfit, the bag, it goes with the bonnet. They knew what they were doing. Okay, so as usual, they gave me lashes, caps, and so on and so forth that I'm going to show you guys in the next clip. But I am going to go ahead and bleach these knots because that's what I do. That's what I do. So I'm just going to take out the unit because that's what's most important. And we're just going to see it for what it is. Fresh out the bag. No game. Okay? Ooh. Okay. Ooh, okay. It's reminding me of Alley Pearl hair, but it has that dry texture, and I'm gonna take it out the neck. It's very full, and they said it was 16 inches HD, and the cap size is medium. If y'all want to send me some wigs, I have a medium cap size. Remember that. Thank you. Hair density 180. Ooh, let's get into it. So the last time I had westkiss, it was the straight unit. I might insert a picture for you guys so you guys can see. But today they sent me some body wave, and I did a side part straight with the straight hair that they sent me. But I think I'm gonna do side part curly. That's what I've been thinking I'm gonna do with this hair, but I'm still debating. So let's take it out the net to see how it looks naturally. Okay, it's really full. I love it, and I'm not just saying this because they keep spoiling me with wigs. I'm telling y'all the truth. And this one doesn't have a smell. Last time they had a little something, I think they done heard me because this one has no smell, seriously. And then we're just gonna go ahead and zoom in on the knots here. It's HD, honey. You can't see the knots. Like, come on now, you can't see it at all. Okay, and then the frontal, it looks like they gave me a little bit more space with this one. I think this is a 13x6, but this has so much more space. That means I'm gonna be able to do a deeper part. It's gonna give off that diva, sassy look, and it's just really gonna be cute and sexy, and it's just gonna be giving, okay? I like it, and I'm gonna bleach these knots, and I'm gonna let you guys know how that goes, and yeah, see you later. Bye. Okay, so if you watch all my other videos, you know how I bleach my knots. But just for a frontal, I do like to do 2 small scoops and then a little bit of volume developer. This time I used 30 volume developer because I was out of my 40 volume developer. But it really doesn't matter for westkiss hair because their hair bleaches so fast. I mean, like literally, I try to set a timer and I turn my eyes to go back and look at something and it was already bleached and I had to just forget about the timer. Yeah, they bleach fast. So yeah, you're gonna see me mixing this up till it's like a toothpaste like consistency, and then pretty much yeah, I'm lining it up on that container. That's my new thing that I like to do. Y'all gonna peep that in my next videos as well. But enjoy the music. Okay, and just so y'all know, I did this all on camera. This is no mirror, okay? This is a small flex. I don't think y'all know how much it took for me to do this with no mirror, but I felt like this was a better scenery instead of in my bathroom. So, like, why not? Alright, so clearly we're almost there. Okay, so I'm gonna just go over the stuff they gave me. They gave me lashes as always. Very cute, very pretty. I usually give these to my sisters, yeah, because I'll be having my own little lashes. They gave me some wig caps. Yes, honey. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, westkiss. And they gave me this band right here. So this is what I'm going to use in the next steps. Because why not? Don't be fooled. I love a good band. Ooh, yes. See, that does give me VIP. Okay, I was a little ashamed to show my Got to Be Glue bottle because I feel like by now, this is 2022. If you're still using Got to Be Glue, it's got to be an emergency. For my case, my excuse, it was the last thing I had. Like, the wig dealer hairspray ran out on me, and it's just a lot right now, y'all. Like, that's personal. I'm going to save that for the girl talk. Other than that, keep watching, and I also want to apologize for my lack of energy in my other videos because I was going through something, but I'm back. Oh, period. Okay, yeah, period. Check out the lace. Oh, yeah.
Hey y'all, how you did that? Track out lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that?